Okay, Model 3 and Model Y owners, for the dashboard display steering column, we have a super simple installation method. Again, this is for the column add-on. You're going to go to the right pillar, the passenger side, with the purple and blue cables. So the connectors have 4 cables, go to the right side. And now there's no more installation from the rear in the center console. You're going to go right to this pillar. So right here is the pillar for the driver's side, and all we're going to do is plug in 1 cable. Super easy installation, making it simpler and reducing installation time at RPM. Okay, so after you remove the pillar side pieces, we're going to go right into the installation. Now there's an existing blue wire that we're going to turn the power off on the car and then just jump right into here for power. So again, this is the power installation connection. As soon as you plug that in, the male and the female, your unit should immediately power up, and then you can proceed with connecting everything on the other side, and that'll be for the data on the other side. Okay, now as soon as you plug in the driver's side, you should immediately see it booting up, and now we're going to add the data by plugging it in, and all the data will be transferred. It's that easy. Now you just got to put all the wires in the correct position as we explain in the rest of the video.